We're here at the Wilco building, here in Abilene, Texas.
It's Midland. It's in Midland, Texas.
Midland, Texas, sorry. I keep messing with this two cities up. Anyway, look at some odd elevators here. This be Otis. 22 floors. Shit, that took forever to speed up. Three-line Otis. Yeah. You can see that three-line Otis. Look at all those buttons. 22 floors. Blue innovation universal buttons. Hey, guess what? We're stopping at floor 13. Going down?
Yeah. What play with them? Work on
Try and learn. Thank you. Young Vance did he already done it, but I just want to try and understand it more, if that makes sense. So all the work's already done. Just got to make sure I have an idea of what I'm doing.
Don't we all?
That's some truth. I think there's like 18 leases.
For what?
It's 23, block 7. It's whatever Dylan's.
Go ahead.
Good. Go ahead. Look like it's slow. Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Very nice. Even though it's very 40s, 50s building, it's the lobby itself is like from the 80s. So anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.